In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Outlook open links in Google Chrome instead of Microsoft Edge. By default, Outlook follows Windows system settings, which usually point links to Edge. If you prefer Chrome, this quick adjustment will make your workflow feel more consistent. We'll start by opening Windows settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. If keyboard shortcuts aren't your thing, you can also click the Start button and choose Settings from there. Either way gets you to the same place. Once the Settings window is open, look for the Apps section. This is where Windows lets you manage installed applications and the defaults they use. Go ahead and click Apps and then choose Default Apps. This page controls which program opens when you click things like email links, web addresses, and documents. Now scroll until you find the web browser section. You'll likely see Microsoft Edge listed as the current default. Click the browser that's listed there. A small menu will appear showing all compatible browsers installed on your computer. From that list, select Google Chrome. As soon as you click it, Windows updates your system default and there's nothing else you need to confirm. If you don't see Google Chrome in the list, it probably isn't installed yet. Install Chrome from the official website, then return to this same default apps page and choose it as your web browser. On some managed or work computers, you might find this option grayed out due to administrator policies. If that happens, you'll need to check with your IT team. Once Chrome is set as the default, Outlook will automatically open any links you click in Chrome. There's no extra setting inside Outlook itself because Outlook simply follows whatever Windows lists as the default browser. To confirm it worked, click a link in an email and watch it open in Chrome. This change also applies to most other apps that use your system's default browser, so links from chat apps or documents should now open in Chrome too. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same default apps page and pick a different browser. It only takes a few seconds. And if a Windows update ever resets your default, just repeat these steps to switch it back. That's it. With this simple change, you'll have a smoother, more personalized browsing experience when opening links from Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made things a little easier.